It's meme coin season and you need to make the most out of it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to do a sniping on Solana. I will show you 3 different methods and I will explain how you can make money out of these meme coins. So as the first option, we got Smithii Sniper, okay? Sniper.smithii.io. This is a platform where you can snipe tokens with advanced settings that you won't find in public versions of snipers. This is kind of a professional sniper made public. So essentially, with this sniper, you can snipe all meme coins launching on Radium or Pump.fun as you prefer, with some filters you set in order to take profit and avoid lose your money. To use it, let me show you. It's basically start looking for tokens all the time. Okay, this is I've been running this for 10 hours now so far. It made today $15. I'm testing out different settings. I usually make with this around maybe $50 a day so far. Anyways, I'm going to make a video with different strategies with a Smithii Sniper. Okay, the sniper is looking for new tokens all the time. Okay, when it finds one new token launching, for example, this is like 1 hour before, it process the pool, fetch the data and check that it matches the filters you have set before. Okay, then if it matches the filters, it will send transaction to buy the token, and then it's checking and fetching the data to ensure that it takes profit when it's needed or makes the stop loss when it's needed. So for example, here I'm buying 0.1 Solana. So this is the current price that it's moving all the time until it reaches one of these conditions, the take profit or the stop loss. For example, in here, as you can see, it got a pump and it took the profit, sent the sell transaction and made the sale. Click here on view the screener. Here we have the purchase, okay, the transaction. This is my wallet and we had a P&L of $8 so far. The usual P&L I'm getting is around $4 to $5 per trade with an 80% success rate on the take profit. You basically snipe just when it launches and it will be selling when it meets the requirements you use. Okay, if we go up, we will see that it's just finding a new token and verifying that as the creator can freeze the token, it doesn't match my filters, so it will skip and look for another token launching. So essentially, here you have a video on how to set it up. Okay, not with the strategies, but with explanation on all the different settings you can use. But anyways, for me, this is the best option right now if you are kinda initiating yourself into sniping and until advanced level, if you have a good node and RPC and you know how to set this up. As I said, I'm making $50 a day using this. So as the second option, we got BullX. Okay, for me, it's kinda the best trading bot available. It works on website and also on Telegram, and it's useful because it's really fast. It has a ton of options. It also have a live airdrop campaign, which is useful to make extra money. And I like what I actually like the most about BullX is the interface. It has a ton of data, it's fast, and yeah, I find it useful. Only charge you 0.1 Sol for using it. In this case, BullX have a fee per transaction, so depends on the volume you are making, they will be taking a fee. So this is the second option, as I said, free to use, really useful for starters without a ton of money, and also if you are just looking for new gems and don't want to make it automatic. So for the third option, we got private snipers. For sure, you can make it for your own and run it on your own terminal, but I will, if you are not an expert on this, I will just buy one of these NFTs, okay, like Blood Solution, Peppermints, and there are a ton of them actually available. They are kind of expensive. You also need to rent your own node to run them, but they are worth it if you know how to actually make them work and you have a good amount of money to invest on them. Not just for buying, but for buying tokens and trading them. For me, it's useful. It's for advanced user only. I wouldn't go to this until I've like traded at least for 2 weeks, a month, with the previous solutions I showed you, but this will be the third option. So that's it. Here you have an introduction on how you can snipe tokens on Solana. My recommendation would be to start with the Smithii Sniper, for sure, not because it's mine, because it's the best option, at least in my opinion. We have built it with that purpose of helping those people starting and getting them to the next level by using the Smithii Sniper, okay? In the description and in the strategy video for Smithii Sniper, I will let you a discount code so you can run it with a discounted price for the first time and try yourself on how you can perform with it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.